Hey YouTube, welcome back to our channel. So anyway, today is truss day at last. Yay! First one up. We did that one off camera to show you, just so we know it's easy, but yeah, we'll show you it's easy. So you and the missus can do this too. Have a watch. And don't forget the thumbs up. Woo! Just like that. Okay, so now's the probably the spike in our video watch hours. How do you stand the truss up? Let's have a look. Da-da-da. See everybody? You should have a truss gauge. That will really aid you in assembly. Okay, watch. As long as your first one is set, look at that. Minty. That's why you have a master level. Hey YouTube, 6 trusses in one day. But that includes bracing, blocking, and getting them up there. So let's have a look. You notice these 4 last trusses, hard to see, but you'll see some diagonals and a Z pattern. That's called a braced bay. So that's on both sides. That locks the trusses together and gives you a level platform to build off. Okay, well hopefully tomorrow's good too, so stay tuned. Hey YouTube, welcome back to our channel. So this is the continuation of the truss install. So we spent one day getting this far. I think it's halfway, and today the second half with the help of Susie Builder. Okay, back to work. Okay, YouTube, let's flip one up. have your truss brace. See that? Susie Builder is going to hang on here, and I'm going to go to the other side and put some screws in. Voila. Now that your blocking's in, you just screw the truss to your blocking. Deadly square. Did you see that turn? Okay, we're down to 2 trusses. So when the space gets too small, see, we stacked them up here. 1, 2, 3. You have to be able to flip them. So these are 4'7". So, okay, end of day 2. We got the trusses up. Bonus. So next step, all the steps that do the overhangs on the gable ends. So here's a shot of the trusses. And the bracing. That was a big job, big day, because we were the personal human cranes. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow.